Hey Davers, Alick here. I'm still here at the elevator. You can see here it's going up. Today me and Tel had an excellent call with a charging pad provider. This company is a European company that really likes DAV. We're gonna continue our process with them, try to onboard them to the DAV Alliance. Other than that, I'm still working on updating and refreshing our collaterals for the DAV Alliance outbound messages, making more tools for Kyle. And that's about it, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Hey everyone, so today I'm reaching out to existing members of the DAV Alliance and also reviewing some of the potential candidates we have, and I'm preparing Noam for his interview tomorrow with a writer from a major publication, so hopefully we can announce that really soon. And that's it for me today. I've got lots more to do, so I'll see you guys next time.
Hi guys. Yesterday we had a great communications team call in the evening, and I spent most of the day working on transitioning out the management of our social channels. Today I really want to focus on our internal documentation of my communications with the community, make sure we're tracking and on top of all of that so that not only I know, but the team knows what's going on. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so yesterday I created several issues for our missions app on GitHub, and I was actually amazed by how fast those issues were taken by our developers from the community. So the issues are already in progress, which is great. I also finalized the design for our new technology page, which apparently is going to be changed to prototypes page. That will be the name. And I finalized the design together with Yurii and now passed it on to our web developer, so it's already in progress. Actually seen some of it and it looks great. And today I worked on a really exciting new project around decentralized charging for electric vehicles. So it's really in the beginning of it, but it's really exciting and really cool. And this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hey! So yesterday I spoke with a number of security service providers. We released a pretty significant UX update to the Missions app, and we released the video of my trip to Moscow where I met one of our drone partners, Copter Express. You should definitely check that out on YouTube if you want to see some cool drone footage. I also had a really fascinating call yesterday with a researcher from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute. This guy has been working on autonomous submarines for the past 1 year, so it's definitely interesting. Today I'm working on the KYC and whitelist process, as well as making plans together with Timmy, Shahar and Lior for the next phases of missions, mission control and captain. Later today, Joe and I have a really interesting call with one of the largest car manufacturers in the world, talking about potential collaboration with their R&D labs. So that should be really interesting. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. So 3 important things I did today. First of all, finished changes to the API documentation, and it should be up now. Other than that, we've been starting to think about security for the ICO, so we've been talking to people from the cybersecurity industry, and we're consulting with them on how to do that best. And last but not least, I've been starting to think about the design for the Copter Express integration, and you'll probably hear about that more, so stay tuned in the future for more details about that. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday had a really good day. Started off the meeting, good conversation with our co-founder and CTO Tal. Got prepped for a meeting with a major auto manufacturer. Worked on some paid media with our paid partner. Worked on relevant content pieces in addition to different advisor announcements, different product announcements, and also the DAV Insider, which has been really great. So yesterday was a good amount of working with partners, advisors, content pieces, and also the paid piece. Today I spent a good amount of time working on a good amount of time on the website. So worked on and gave some feedback for a new technology page and really sort of like a prototype page that we have coming out. So it's going to show all the great work our tech team has been doing. Also had some good forward progress on a few advisors I've been working with. So exciting announcements to come on that front. Push some additional things forward from a content standpoint. and everything else has been good. Just working through a bunch of different moving parts across everything from a marketing standpoint. Thanks everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hi guys. Today is a new sunny day and I can see it. A few days ago I started a new page for our site, Prototypes. This page turned out expressive and similar to our new brand. On this page tell for our new projects. Also I'll make new mobile app autonomous bot today. I'll plan finish it. After then I'll make business card for our team. Further I'll start new task page for our site videos page. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.